Well, I mean, you just need to be hygienic, you know. So, I mean, what do you say to something like that? And I realized her husband, the day they got married, started breathing from his mouth, and so his sense of smell is also gone. Or sometimes you just get used to that sense of smell. Like if you're driving a car and you think, and there is a garbage truck in front of you, and you see these guys on that garbage truck, and they do not cover their noses or their faces, and they can smell that garbage. They've got immune to it. Their senses have got immune to it. Okay, but we immediately roll up our windows, or we will, put the AC off because the AC is sucking that horrible stench into your car. So it is a very sad thing, but I think and I don't think there's ever been a product that has really been designed to tackle it. And how do you tackle it? It is a chemical imbalance. You can be born with it. It could happen out of the kind of clothes that you wear, or if you repeat your clothes and you're not being hygienic enough. So there are a lot of permutations and combinations as to how you can get body odor. But for the first time, I think there has been a product that has been made which now guarantees you that it fights body odor and gets rid of it. And I don't think something like that has ever happened. So yes, this is really a fantastic product, and I have given it to everybody so that at least, not because they smell, but at least so that they do not get it, and it just kind of nips it in the bud even if there are some chemical imbalances happening somewhere. So yes, I think I'm very proud to be part of today, and as usual, every day that Nivea launches one after the other path-breaking products. So thank you.
Wanted to know, a deo is a part of a man's kit when it comes to grooming. What are the other things you would suggest should be a part of his kit when it comes to grooming?
Well, I mean, you just need to be hygienic, and you have to kind of understand the climatic conditions that you also live in. You have to also understand the kind of activity or the work that you're putting in. So for example, definitely have a shower if you've gone to the gym. Try to have one before you go to the gym, okay, because you could have had a long day and then you end up in the gym and you've not kind of, bathed or whatever, and suddenly you think that you're in a private gym because everybody's run away from you. Even the spotter doesn't want to spot with you, Or, use a good face wash, have a good shower. And in the summers, like I take a shower 3 times a day, for example. I just do it, because it just keeps me fresh and it keeps me alive. So, and just look after yourself, be aware. Be aware of things that you see deteriorating in your body, and just take care of them and eat healthy, sleep healthy, drink lots of water. It's all part of grooming, because once you're healthy from inside, automatically I think it kind of reflects on your face. So if you have a good healthy lifestyle and backed with just, keeping your exterior skin, which is the largest organ in your body, nice and clean, I think you'd be fine.